gaming channel on Discord, and I regularly want to share daily gaming tips on this channel. And what I want is, I don't want to do this manually. I want to simply schedule this message every day at 1 p.m. So do you think that I'm going to do this manually? No, I have simply created this Discord bot for free in 5 minutes, which is going to help me do this. In this video, I'll show you how you can also create this Discord bot for free in just 5 minutes. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. After you open this, you're going to see the sign up for free. So if you want to try Pabbly Connect for free, you can go on this sign up for free and try Pabbly Connect for free. Once you try it and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code which is attached right over here. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder and let's see how to create this automation. For that, this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. So what we have to do, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as scheduled by Pabbly. For the event, we have to select it as scheduled workflow and click on this connect. How often do you want to run this workflow? So I want to run this workflow every day at 1 p.m. So I'm just going to select the same and click on this save. You have to schedule this workflow according to your own choice. Click on this add new action step and select your AI agent right over here, which is going to generate daily gaming tips. I'm going to use Gemini. For the event, I'm going to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now, if you have already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection. It is asking for the API key. To get this API key, go on this Google AI Studio. You're going to find the link over here in the text. Okay, over here is the description attached. You're going to find the link. Just open it from the left hand of the side, go on this get API key and then create API key. Name your key, choose the project and then click on this create key button. Your key will be created. Copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste the key, click on the save and your Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already built this connection, so I'm just going to go on this select existing connection and then save. It is asking for the text, which will be the prompt using which we are going to generate the daily tips. So I'm just going to copy the prompt and paste it right over here. If you also want this prompt, just comment prompt and my team is going to send you this prompt. Now you just have to choose the model according to your own choice. Keep the method as generate content and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on this save and send test request, you're going to see yes, this gaming tip is right over here which we want to share on our Discord. Okay, so let's just close it and let's just share it on our Discord. For that, click on this add new action step, search for Discord right over here and choose Discord. For the event, you have to select it as send channel message and click on this connect. Now if you've already created this connection, click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Discord. Now you have to make sure that your Discord account is logged in. If it is not logged in, first of all, Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then you just have to give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for you. Just make sure to choose the correct server in which you have the channel and then click on this authorize. Give Pabbly all the permissions and your account will be connected right over here with Pabbly Connect. After Discord is connected, it is going to ask you for the webhook and the webhook tokens. So first of all, let's just open our Discord and you have to choose the channel in which you want to send the messages. Go on the edit channel of the same and then towards this integrations and then go on this webhooks and click on this new webhook button. Once you do this, a new webhook name something like this will appear in front of you. If you want, you can change the name of the webhook and then copy the webhook URL and paste it right over here. Once you paste the webhook URL over here, in this webhook URL only we have the webhook and the webhook token too. So first of all, let's just get this webhook token. So this is the webhook token which is after this number slash. So just cut this webhook token and paste it right over here. And now after you paste this webhook token, what is this webhook ID? So you're going to get this webhook ID which is written after webhook slash. This is the webhook ID, delete this slash too. This is the webhook ID and this is the webhook token. Once again, I'll just let you know, just have to copy the webhook URL, paste it right over here. Whatever is written after the last slash is the webhook token and before that the number is the webhook ID. Just copy and paste it and move on further. For the message text, already Gemini has generated it, so I'm just going to enter the same, but we're not going to enter it manually, we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. Mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. Every day new text is going to be generated. That's the reason we have mapped it. This is not going to remain same. Okay, it is asking for many other details, but all of these details are not required. If you want, you can fill it in, otherwise leave it as blank. We have received the positive response after clicking on the save and send test request that we have successfully sent the channel message. So let me just open my Discord and I'm going to see yes, this message is sent. Not only this, but now every every day at 1 p.m. this workflow is going to run. It is going to generate the new gaming tip and share it on my Discord channel. You can customize the prompt according to your own choice. If you want this prompt, just comment prompt and I am just going to share this with you. Apart from that, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and the workflow URL is attached in the description box below, also the discount coupon code. Thank you for watching, everyone.